Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2. It is related to internet basics. You can see services, especially. Few services we are going to discuss here. Now, on the screen, please, you have to look. First is social networking. So what do you mean about social networking? The process of creating, building, and nurturing virtual communities and relationships between people online. So it is known as social networking. Any information, communication we have to do online. Okay, so according to that, we are using a few websites that is called social networking websites. All you know about that one: Facebook, Bing, Twitter, WhatsApp, any messenger, Instagram. Clear? So what information we have to share on social networking? It is a revolution. It is allows, or it is give the permission of a mind for individuals how many information could we share, exchange, and distributed online by using websites, messengers. Okay, so these all are part of social networking websites. Okay, all you know: Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, LinkedIn, all are the example of social networking websites. Okay. Now, these websites provide simple tools to create custom profile. All you know what is custom profile? Our customers form, you can say. In that we have to fill the details like name, okay, contact number, email ID, address. Few advanced profiles may include videos also, photos, album, you can say, photo album, online applications like on Facebook. Custom layout is available in the MySpace social website. So after creating a profile, user can add friends, send messages to other user, and leave comments directly on friends profile. So these features provide the building blocks of creating online communities. So online community means through online network mechanism or process, we have to do communication. We have to share our things, ideas. Okay, so few advantages and disadvantages are there. Each and every service, when it is designed, it has some advantages and disadvantages. So what advantages we have? All you know about that one? Social networking sites help us to find our long post, okay, or you can say long host, and childhood friends and relatives, or you can say any family member. No software settings change necessary to PC or home. Directly we have to download it from Google Store, you can say, or any other website, or you can say on Google. It is an easy and cost-effective way to reach your consumers and people in your network. Cost-effective means by sitting at home, we have to shop. We have to do online shopping. We have to do online learning. E-business we have to do. Online government websites we have to access. So it is easy and cost-effective. We reduce our time, money also. Now, fourth point is for business purposes, connecting with your customer on a personal and professional level. Clear? Yes, yes, Jangit, what happened? If you have any question, please. Yes, Jangit is raising hand. Any doubt, any question you have, you ask please after 12:30. You have to note down it, please. Now, it helps in building credibility among the customers. Means believeness, you have to say, credibility of customers between business person or customer, shopkeeper between customer, okay. So online transactions we have to do, online business we have to do, selling and purchasing we have to do. So each and every website that is called service. So each service has their own advantages and disadvantages. Few are similar. Okay. So disadvantages of social networking are lack of anonymity. Anonymity means what? annoying to know the product, the price, the person. So there is lackness of or about that one. Social networking usually requires you to input your name, location, age, gender, many other types of personal information. So it is fruitful or not fruitful. Due to security reasons, when you are showing your personal data, so it is, or you are the victim of online fraud. Understand? Second is the scams and harassment. Scams and harassment means what? All you know about when you are sharing and accessing your details, when you are giving a user ID and password. So both are compulsory. User ID and password should be there when you are doing online shopping, e-learning, or when you are doing any registration. So email ID and contact number and password. So these three things are very important. So you have to time change it and update it. Few updates are there when you install any software in your system now. So time to time updation are there. Okay, so time to time you have to update your device, your app, also your software. Okay, so you don't be victim of the scam, means online fraud. Okay, being online, you are at the risk of facing cases of cyber stalking. Cyber stalking means what? Cyber bullying is there. Cyber stalking means harassment of any person by posting, by telling him or her their weaknesses about caste. So don't share this type of task. When you are getting any message like this, you have to first read it carefully, think about that one, the thing that you received, now it is correct or wrong. Okay, so according to that, after you have to send or give the reply. Otherwise you delete it and you have to inform the concerned person you are sending the data is wrong or not suitable for our community. Time consuming process. Social networking, lots of people are consuming the time by gossiping, like posting unwanted things. Okay, so it is a time consuming process. If you are new to social networking, learning process can be time consuming. If any new app will come in the market, or you can say Google Play Store, so you have to learn about that one, then you have to use. So this is about social networking website. So lots of services are there. Earlier already I have discussed, like chatting, email, video conferencing. Email I have told you completely how you create, what are the elements, components, how you compose, write, what is the meaning of inbox, sent box, outbox you can say, draft. Clear? So e-shopping is also an internet service. E-shopping. So online shopping we are doing. Online selling, you can say buying we have to do. So that is a part of e-shopping. So it also has a few components like product. The range of products should be there. Accessibility of people, mode of payment. Either you pay through credit card, debit card, cash on delivery, etc. Okay, selling price is there. Delivery mechanism, placement of orders. The placement of order means it is required to access your location where you want to get your product. So it is available or not at that place. So these all are the parameters, components of an online shopping. Clear? So it has also some advantages and disadvantages. Like finding a product online is much more easier than looking for it in the local store. Understand? On a single page on your screen, you have to look lots of product related to one group. Understand? So it is very easy to find on a single place. Nowadays, online shopping is very reliable. Okay. Most of the stores provide money back guarantee, return back policy also. If you do not find any product within your country, then you can shop online from an international store also. But you have to check availability at your address, at your city, town, village, whatever address you have. So these all are the advantages of e-shopping. Now next and important part is the disadvantages of e-shopping. The customer might be worried as to the similarity of the product being ordered and the product being received. Little bit worry is there, na? if I order or select an item like shoe, for example, shoes of color black, for example. So if it is available in the store, so then you have to receive the correct order of product. Otherwise, they have to send a different color or variety product. Okay. So you have to wait for delivery. It may take 1 or 2 days more or less, you can say. You may be a victim of online fraud. If you are purchasing, you are getting any link on your mobile, or if in that link some offers are there, like when you are clicking on that, you will get 50 rupees, 100 rupees talk time. You will get points that you have to use for next shopping. So it may be an online link, or you can say fraud link. So you have to check it is fraud or not. Okay. You may have to pay for shipping. Okay. Shipping charges is there. Delivery charge is there. So these drawbacks, disadvantages of on e-reservation. E-reservation online tickets we have to book, not for plane. We have to book for train. We have to book for bus also, hotels also, any travel, or you can say worship. We have to worship. We have to go for a particular temple. We have to go for our Aarti and Puja. Okay. There are also booking sites are the these also have advantages. They book a seat that is near the window. So they lie, they fool. They have to receive lots of. Okay. But it is easy to do that not with any agent. Okay. Okay. For hotels, for plane, disadvantage early or in advance prepaid service. If virus introduction means type virus may tell, मतलब आपके चोरी कर सकता है that one or you want to, okay. Internet is telling you not members or parties, for example make over the okay. So you share and okay. You make groups for time passing. You make groups for discussing certain topic. You have to learn your extra like mathematics, reasoning. You have to discuss